Are you going to explain to them what we're doing?
Am I going to explain?
Yeah.
Well, we're obviously just washing it, mate. It's been out on a nice hard day of being a work vehicle. The classic daily. Somebody's driven over a fresh bit of road, I think.
Yeah.
Just there.
It's a really big shame when that happens.
Nothing worse than dreaming of being at home with your girl, to wake up and realise you're just alone in a cell. The paranoia can make you feel like you're lower than hell, and do your head in every single fucking moment as well. I could tell 1,000 stories that have walked in the gates. Imagine being a fly up on the wall of this place, for all the mates and enemies that settle scores to the...
Tail shaft?
Nah.
Then what is it? It's never done that.
We're talking about this.
Nah, that's always been loose. I don't know what the vibration is, but I guess we'll find out.
Should have brought some tools.
Should have. You've just got to get past 50 and it doesn't do it.
See, nobody even looks, mate.
Gotta end up on fucking dash cams in fucking Australia. There's an FG. Damn it. I wanted that spot.
The classic.
Should we wait?
No, let's go in the middle.
Can you give me it?
What's going on there, mate?
It's fucking some wires, mate. So your shadow.
Yeah, G.
Fuck, it looks pretty rough in the light, eh?
That's alright. I gotta pay. I thought you were the money bag, man.
And why is it not work? Oh! Try again. The fuck?
Fuck, would you actually want me to pay?
Guys, I'm actually broke. It says $5 start, but it's not letting me put $5 in.
You gotta do 15. 15.50.
$15? Oh, it worked. $15.
Yeah, but you get it back.
Oh, it's credit.
Dude, it's $10. Fucking just chill out, eh?
Are you going to explain to them what we're doing?
Am I gonna explain?
Yeah.
Well, we're obviously just washing it, mate. It's been out on a nice hard day of being a work vehicle. The classic daily. Somebody's driven over a fresh bit of road, I think.
Yeah.
Just there.
It's a really big shame when that happens.
Yeah, and they don't even put the signs out, eh? Tari Road?
Oh.
No.
Like, imagine if I was in my Rolls Royce. Wow.
Yeah, bro. Maybe you'd have $10 in there.
You're a cunt.
Wait, luckily this thing's just been polished.
Dude, the sap. My fresh paint job.
Fully polished, colour matched.
That one's stuck there for good. I got got all the other ones out. Fuck.
Actually, I do really like the brake light delete.
Oh yeah.
Boy likes to take his time. Surprised the thing even starts. Alrighty, we go now. Oh. Righty, mate. How's your car wash?
Yeah, great.
Yeah, great.
Waste of fucking money.
Waste of money, mate. She's fucking spotless, bro.
No, we should have brought the Scratcher 3000. You know, the blue one?
Yeah, the man.
Oh, cunt, there was someone behind us that whole time.
I said that.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Play it back. Play it back.
Don't.
People in their high beams, mate. They're inconsiderate.
I'm not considerate. I've got fucking one headlight. Oh, these cunts want to get these fucking bright shit.
You didn't even watch the front window.
Didn't I? Is that why it was so shit?
I know why. It's not that
I didn't realise how static it was going to get. There you go. First drive, first of many.
Oh yeah, I bet you I'm still connected to the mic too, bro.
Hunt.
No, nothing.
I completely forgot you have a mic.
Yeah.
I'm a bit pissed the slap didn't come off because it's pretty red hot. But that's okay.
That's the red hot bit about the car.
Well, it sort of gives it
Bro,
away.
I've literally got, mate,